Nature has always known how to protect what matters. At Schmersal, we build the innovation that power safety technology across global production lines.
This World Environment Day, with Schmersal, we draw inspiration from the greatest engineer of the world, the nature.
Forests stop destruction before it spreads. Nature creates fire breaks, zones designed to contain danger.
Schmersal machine guard work the same way. The moment a guard opens, the machine stops. The hazard does not spread.
The human body constantly detects threats before damage occurs. An immune system protects silently, intelligently, and continuously.
Our PSC1 safety controller does the same, monitoring every signal, responding instantly, protecting the production line in real time.
Nature never treats protection as optional. It builds safety into the structure itself.
Like the tortoise shell, the AZM300 guard locking device is protection, engineered from the beginning, clean, integrated, and uncompromising.
Nature communicates danger instantly. A bee does not speak, its colors are enough.
Schmersal signal tower speak the universal language of safety, clear, visible, immediate.
The nervous system connects every part of the body to a central intelligence. Factories need the same awareness.
Schmersal Safety Field Box connects all safety devices into a single intelligent ecosystem because true safety is never isolated, it is connected.
Safety and sustainability are not separate ideas. When systems run safely, they run efficiently. When they run efficiently, they waste less. Nature understood this long before we did.
Inspired by nature for climate, for our future.